Welcome to this quick tutorial for the EXMAGE. To get started, make sure you have the EXMAGE plugin zip file ready. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New, then click on Upload Plugin at the top. Choose the zip file you downloaded, click Install Now, and then activate the plugin. Once it's active, you'll see a new menu for EXMAGE in your admin sidebar. Open General Settings, and to toggle on Enable. This turns on all the plugin's main features. Next, let's check out EXMAGE's video capabilities. First, enable the external video support by toggling on the relevant option in the settings. Now, you can add videos as external media files. And if your video already has a thumbnail, EXMAGE can automatically grab that image and use it as the featured image for your WordPress post. As well as set an external video as a featured video for your post. After enabling EXMAGE and its video feature, you can upload external images or videos directly through the media library. Or while editing a post or page, just paste the external URL and upload them. Let's head back to the media library, switch to list view by clicking this icon right here. Now you'll see a filter option. Use them to filter media files hosted outside your server. From here, you can update the external URL, or click View Original File to open the source directly in a new tab. If the media is a video, you'll also find a shortcode, copy it and paste it into any post or page. Let's preview it on the front end. The external video loads perfectly. Finally, if you want to keep a local copy, you can click Download File to save that single file to your WordPress media library. And if you need to download several files at once, just bulk select them from the list and click Download EXMAGE. AI integration helps you with SEO-friendly alt text for your images. Just choose the model you want, set up your OpenAI or Google Gemini API key. then configure the settings like writing style, tone, and character limits. EXMAGE will analyze your image content and generate alt text that improves accessibility in search engine rankings. Use EXMAGE to upload your images to a CDN. Currently, EXMAGE supports cloudinary, cloudflare, and Amazon. Just fill in your credentials in the CDN settings, and EXMAGE will handle the rest. This replaces WordPress's default upload system, helping you host media externally, while keeping your site lightweight. And here's a neat safety feature. If you disable the EXMAGE plugin in the future, you can still replace images uploaded via EXMAGE with a custom placeholder. Just enable the Replace After Deactivation option and upload your fallback image.